everyone, it's Stephanie here, and today I'm going to share a closer look at our newest card kit called Miss Your Hugs. This is a fantastic card kit for right now since we are really missing our loved ones and our friends, and we really want to be able to let them know how we feel, so this card kit is going to give you a chance to do just that. First up, we have the I Miss Your Hug stamp set. This is a 6x8" stamp set that features a ton of different sentiments as well as images that are really great for the time that we are living in currently, where we aren't able to see friends and family as often as we'd like. This stamp set just really helps us let those friends and family know that we are missing them and that we hope to see them soon and that we definitely can't wait to hug them. We also have coordinating dies that go with the images in this stamp set. The dies are sold separately, but they will cut out the world, the little speech bubbles, the rainbow, everything that is an image in the stamp set. In addition to that large stamp set and coordinating dies, we also have two products called Confetti All Around. One is a Dynamics and one is a stencil, and these are really great for highlighting some of the sentiments in the stamp set, as well as that world image. We have kind of created stamps that will fit nicely in the center of this to really highlight those words and really make them the focus on the card. So you can either die cut them or use your stencil. Next up, we have the Happy Rainbows Dynamics. This is a 3-piece die set that features 3 whimsical rainbows in different sizes, and you're able to kind of customize the different colors that you're going to use when you die cut these different pieces. Say It in a Rainbow is the kit exclusive this month, so this stamp set will only be available in this kit. And the great thing about this set is it features all the different pieces to create rainbows, but every stamp is individual, which means that you can stamp them in different colors. Or you can swap out the solid parts of the stamp and use the word stamp. So you can have a rainbow that says love, miss you, or hello. So it's just a really fun, customizable set that will work well with the other stamp set in this set, or it can be used on its own. In this month's kit, we also have a pack of 10 of Long Distance Hugs friendship tokens. These are a very unique little way to send a little message to someone in a card. They are nice and thin, they are made of wood, and they have the message etched right inside of them. So you can just kind of tuck them into your card or you can add them to your design. We of course have a great selection of rainbow colored cardstock included in this month's kit. Nice bright colors that will really put a smile on the recipient's face. And last but not least, we have our newest Free with 60 that is releasing with this month's kit. This die set is called Love Speech Bubbles, and this is yours free with a $60 purchase after discounts and before taxes and shipping while supplies last. So let's go ahead and take one more quick look at everything you're going to receive in this month's Miss Your Hugs card kit. You are going to receive 14 sheets of cardstock, the 6x8" I Miss Your Hugs stamp set, as well as the coordinating dynamics that will die cut the images from the stamp set. You are also going to receive the Confetti All Around Dynamics as well as the stencil, so you have 2 options for how you want to use this unique design. The Happy Rainbows Dynamics features 3 different rainbow designs that you can die cut from the beautiful colored cardstock in this month's kit. And we have the 3x4" stamp set called Say It in a Rainbow, which is an exclusive stamp set to the kit and is only available with the purchase of the Miss Your Hugs card kit. We're also very excited to introduce the Long Distance Hugs friendship tokens in this month's kit, and we hope that you enjoy adding these in with your cards to let your recipient know that you're sending them a long distance hug. And then don't forget, we do have the Free with 60, which is the Love Speech Bubbles, which once again is yours with a purchase of $60 after discounts and before taxes and shipping while supplies last. So that is the Miss Your Hugs card kit. We hope that you enjoy this month's kit. We hope that it gives you a chance to really reach out and let those that you're missing know just how much you're hoping to hug them soon. The new Miss Your Hugs card kit will be available for purchase on November 17th at 10 a.m. Eastern at mftstamps.com. As always, I appreciate you being here, and I hope to see you in another video soon. Thanks for watching.